So this is the client's truck we're doing today, and since ozone is less effective in high heat and humidity, we put a tent over it. We will be using a metering device and a pump like this today. I will place the pump on the seat on the interior of the cab, and then the monitoring device will be simply taped to the window on the outside like this. That way it makes it very easy and readily available to watch the ozone levels inside the cab. When the device is turned on, you watch the interior ozone levels begin to rise quite rapidly in a confined space like this. And from the National Ozone Association, when you get to 2.5 to 5 parts per million, sanitizing that's the target zone. And above that, you start getting some good odor killing levels. And we watch the ozone levels continue to rise like this pretty quick. And when we get to the end, the machine turns itself off, levels return back to normal. This was a recent RV that we did. Here it is sitting in the driveway. We set the ozone machine up high, crank the AC so the ozone has a chance to spread throughout. We have our pump and monitoring equipment to watch levels of ozone inside the cab. Then we open up everything, every door, drawer, and cushion, everything, so the ozone gas has an opportunity to permeate everywhere.